So coin goes in here at the top. Coin goes down. Coin falls over and hits the mouse trap. Mouse trap pulls the wires. Wire releases the pendulum. Pendulum hits the dominoes. The dominoes go down. Domino falls off, pulling the pin. Rolls down, hits this mouse trap, turns the wheel, lets the train go, falls into this, fires off these dominoes. Dominoes hit the mouse trap, lift this, freeze the shoe. Knocks over the can. Can fills the lever. Lever comes down, shoots the rubber band, takes the wheel down, hits the dominoes, goes around, frees the marble, goes down, rolls down, and finally brings the little bucket up.